Hello guys, welcome to Ankit Sunalvits. As after my last video on safe sexual practices during COVID-19 pandemic, I made this video, and after that I got a lot of queries on my Instagram, Gmail, and on this comment section. Most of the people asked they are planning to conceive, so can they conceive after COVID infection? Can they conceive after COVID-19 vaccine? So here I am to answer all those questions. Whatever I'm going to tell you is based on the scientific research which is available limited right now here, and whatever guidelines are there. So link for all of them is given in the description box. You can go through in the detail. So the first question is how long a woman should delay her pregnancy after taking COVID-19 vaccine. So to answer that, initially when COVID vaccine trial started in India, there was no study regarding the teratogenicity of the COVID-19 vaccine, and it was advised to all the women not to get pregnant for the next 3 months because whether the vaccine affects a baby or not was not well studied. But now, as you can see, most of the organizations, most of the agencies, most of the scientific research papers, it has come that COVID-19 vaccine is safe for the pregnancy and for the lactating mother. The benefit of COVID-19 vaccine outweighs any risk of the COVID infection because if a woman get a COVID-19 infection during the initial phase of pregnancy, it can lead to miscarriage and other complications. If a woman get a COVID-19 infection on the later pregnancy, then there are higher chances of getting admitted to ICU, and it can even lead to death. So the best thing is to get the COVID-19 vaccine, and if you're planning to conceive, better to complete the full course of the COVID-19 vaccine, and vaccine start working after 2 weeks of your last dose. So this COVID vaccine, none of them is a live vaccine, so there is not to worry about much of the side effects. Definitely you can go and take the vaccine, complete the full immunization, and then go for planning a conception after that. Coming to the second question, which is that if someone gets COVID-19 infection, then after how long a person should try to conceive? Basically, virus clears out of the body after 7 to 10 days, and most of the cases, if it is mild illness, by the 10th day virus will be completely out of your system, and you can plan for conceiving a baby. But if a person is taken steroid, or the person have other comorbidity like diabetes, virus clearance may take time. So the safety margin would be around 4 weeks. You can take 4 or 28 days of safety margin, because this will also help to completely recover from symptoms like weaknesses, if you have body pain, because COVID-19 also affects a person not only physically but also mentally, and this break will give a woman to plan for the conception, to get ready for the conception, because during the pregnancy again the woman will undergo a lot of hormonal and physiological changes. If someone have already got the COVID-19 disease and he's not vaccinated, or he has taken only 1 dose before, then if you look at the current evidence, it shows that infection gives you a long-term immunity, around 10 to 12 months of immunity you will gain. So you may not need the booster dose of after 3 months. If you have any doubt, you can consult with any of the physician and your obstetrician, and definitely you can plan pregnancy if you have got COVID-19 infection after that. If you have any doubt, comment down in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video. Tata, bye bye.